Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the license manager is not functioning or is improperly installed AutoCAD Revit in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here you need to type for services.msc, then click on OK. So the moment you click on it, you would be able to see a new window called Services. Here you need to look for Auto Desktop Licensing Service. Okay? So in my case, I don't have the such, but in your case, you have that. Okay? So just have to select it. Okay? Again, look for Auto Desktop Licensing Service. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, you have that, just have to select it, do a right click, and go with Properties. So here in the, let's say for example, this is the Auto Desktop Properties. Just have to go with startup type and make sure that it is in automatic, then apply and then okay. So once you're done, proceed on logged on and select this local system account and then check this box which is allow service to interact with desktop. Click on apply and then okay. Once you're done, you need to start the auto desktop licensing service. So let's say, for example, I am just showing you an example, okay? And in your case, you have to select the real auto desktop licensing service. Okay, in my case, I am just showing you an example. Okay, just have to follow anyway. They have the same properties, so you can follow all of these steps. Okay, so here you need to go with start. And the moment you've started, it will start the service will start. Okay, once you're done, click on restart. Okay, and here you need to close the window. So once you have to close the window, you need to restart your computer, and the moment you have restarted it again, just check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.